Hello and welcome back to Hunt's Job Commercial, your one and only YouTube channel where we bring you the latest updates on all overseas job opportunities. And in this video, we have got you new and exciting opportunity from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, that too from a very reputed company. There are total 12 job positions along with some exciting benefits. And guess what? The shortlisting is currently going on in Rawalpindi, Karachi and Lahore. So I'm really excited to share all these details with you. So without any further delay, let's get started. So let me tell you a little bit about the company. The hiring company is a reputed facility management company of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, which is hiring for one of the most prestigious mass transportation projects of Riyadh. Now let's see all the job positions. Along with the job positions, I will mention their respective requirements. Along with all the job positions, I will mention the number of openings and the salary offered for each position. Civil supervisor, 6 openings. The salary offered is 4,000 to 6,000 Saudi Riyal. Civil inspector, 4 openings. The salary offered is 4,000 to 6,000 Saudi Riyal. Civil technician, 25 openings. Salary offered is 2,700 to 3,000 Saudi Riyal. Civil artisan, 10 openings. Salary offered is 1,800 to 2,500 Saudi Riyal. Elevator supervisor, 4 openings. Salary offered is 4,000 to 6,000 Saudi Riyal. Firefighting supervisor, 6 openings. Salary offered is 4,000 to 5,000 Saudi Riyal. HVAC supervisor, 6 openings. Salary offered is 4,000 to 5,000 Saudi Riyal. Plumbing supervisor, 4 openings. Salary offered is 5,000 to 7,000 Saudi Riyal. DMS technician, 2 openings. Salary offered is 3,000 to 3,500 Saudi Riyal. Electrical technician, 6 openings. Salary offered is 3,000 to 3,500 Saudi Riyal. Firefighting technician, 14 openings. Salary offered is 3,000 to 3,500 Saudi Riyal. Last position is HVAC technician, 16 openings. Salary offered is 3,000 to 3,500 Saudi Riyal. For all these positions, the candidate must be a qualified graduate, and along with this, the candidate must have 4 to 5 years of experience in facility management or in any other maintenance project. Now talking about the benefits, the company is going to offer free accommodation, free transportation and medical insurance facility. Your duty hours will be 8 hours per day for 6 days a week, and other benefits will be provided as per the Saudi labor law. So what are you waiting for? The shortlisting is currently ongoing in 3 places, which are Rawalpindi, Karachi and Lahore. The address and contact details are given on your screen and also mentioned in the video description below. So check it quickly and apply immediately. Once you are shortlisted, the final interview will take place online shortly. So don't miss out on this really incredible opportunity to work with a reputed company in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much for watching and we wish you all the best. Please do like, share and subscribe to Hunt's Job Commercial YouTube channel for staying tuned on all overseas job opportunities.